Hello and good day to everyone. My name is Mr. Ejiofor Emmanuel, your digital marketer here at Majioskey Power Resources. So in today's video, we'll be taking a tour to our warehouse for Stanley Switchgear. Now, Majioskey Power Resources is a sole proprietor of Stanley Switchgear in West Africa and Sub-Saharan Africa as a whole. So here in this warehouse, we have stacks of goods of different products ranging from Stanley changeover, Stanley gear switches, Stanley KitKat fuses, Stanley bus bars. All right, and so we are looking for distributors across the 36 states in Nigeria who can partner with us, to make the distribution of these products very, very easy. Our prices are very competitive, and then we protect the interest of our distributors in a sense that we are just looking for 5 numbers of distributors per state that can sell our products. All right, then these 5 distributors will make sub-distributors in each state. In other words, once we get the number of distributors we're looking at, we won't sell our product to anybody in that state. Now, distributors in that state will by themselves create a sales network to sell that product in that state. Now, to qualify for our distributor, you need to make a cumulative purchase of 50 million naira per month. Now, this purchase is not a one-time purchase, but it's a cumulative purchase of every purchase you have made in that month, but cumulatively should be up to 50 million naira. So if this is what you're looking at, all right, you just give us a DM on our WhatsApp number on 07063169648. Or you can reach out to us on TikTok at Majioskey 2017, on YouTube at Majioskey Power Resources 2017, on Facebook at Majioskey Power Resources, on Instagram at Ejiofor.Emmanuel.1614. And the changeovers are ranging from 32 amps, 3 amps, 100 amps, 200 amps, 300 amps, 400 amps, 630 amps, 800 amps, and 150 amps. And the gear switches are ranging from 32 amps, 63 amps, 100 amps, 200 amps, 400 amp gear switches. All right, then the bus bars are ranging from 63 amps, 100 amps, 200 amps 2 feet, 300 amps 3 feet, 400 amps 3 feet and 4 feet. Then we have 630 amps 4 feet, 800 amps 4 feet. Okay, and the KitKat fuses are ranging from 63 amps fuse and base, 100 amps fuse and base, 200 amps fuse and base, 400 amps fuse and base. And the changeovers comes in cast and steel metal sheets, and the casts are mounted outside, okay, because of the rain, to prevent rust, while the sheet pan changeovers are mounted inside. And these products are mostly for industries or high current load circuit with high current demands. Okay, these are where these products are used in, mostly for voltage range between 380 volts and 415 volts. So mostly for industries or clients that have high current demand. Alright, so we're looking forward to you reaching out to us for your placements. Right, thank you and God bless.
Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon to get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you.